Having been sat outside for the last 6 years, the Mercedes had become a storage container for its parts and possibly various creatures. Today, we'll clean the interior and find out what's inside with the help of my wife Sam. Hopefully we won't find any spiders. Hope you're on spider watch, by the way.
I know, it's terrifying.
Shriek if you see one.
Oh, we all know. What have we got?
Cashew nuts. Nice.
No
All gone.
Not my favourite nut. Not saying it. Murder weapon?
Check.
That's heavy.
Do you expect it's a chain? Oh, let's see what's under here.
Don't you break that, I want that. I'll put it in my car. I think I'm more worried about a mouse coming out.
I've not even thought about mice.
No, they'd probably be dead in this heat. It's like 30 degrees.
Well, they've probably not been fed for a few years. I've got steering lock going up my arse. That wasn't comfortable.
Ooh, nice. I think it's tied around. Oh, no, I put it. Ugh. Do you want me to lift this out?
Do you dare? Go on, go for it. Be brave.
Excuse the wheeze.
You absolute wuss. How are you coping?
Fine, from a distance.
Aren't you glad you said you'd help?
Mm-hmm.
It's not a supportive one, is it?
Alright, I can sort of lean and make sure that I'm not too close to being bitten. What's this?
Battery charger. I don't think that's up to much.
No, get rid.
Yeah.
Don't become a klepto.
That's mine.
Yeah.
So we'll keep
Are they dust sheets?
Vest carriers. Have a look. Put those to one side. Haynes manual, that is useful. Alright, what was I doing? Oh yeah.
Sitting out door pocket.
Tape measure?
Keep that. I'm always losing them.
Yes you are, and they're always mine, brave. Oh, the sunglasses.
Sweet, keep those.
Bifocals. I can't. Oh, they're not for driving.
They're prescription then.
Yeah. Owner's manual.
Fabulous.
Maintenance booklet. I'll have a look at that in a minute. And a battery. Oh, fuses. More fuses.
Broken bulbs.
No, surprisingly not. Usable bulbs. Right, let's move on to the back. I said I'm not sure how much I'm going to enjoy this. What's going on the spider count, by the way? You flinched.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Disgusting!
Kneeling pad for you?
Having it. Don't even. Just
I'm not.
bag 'em.
I'm not. Even. I really don't know what I'm going to find.
Do you know what I'm really scared of? The armrest.
Oh, I look forward to that.
Ugh. I'm keeping my distance. I'm sorry. Oh God.
Right. This fluff from something. Oh, and a bungee cord. Okay.
Yeah, best to just fold and back, babe.
Yeah. Let's just pretend that never happened. Empty.
Oh, empty. Doesn't look that old.
August 3rd, 2016. Oh, cleaning cloth. Come in handy.
Magic. It wasn't too bad. I mean, am I brave enough to pull the armrest down? Don't think I am.
You ready?
No. I'm not sure I'm far enough away. Oh, that's not good, is it? Oh, comes the other way. Oh, that's fancy.
That is fancy.
Okay. Onto the boot.
Are you ready for it?
No, nothing can prepare me for this.
Stand well back.
Ew. Or as they would say on that TikTok, ugh.
Are you ready for it? You doing this bit?
No, I'm not doing any of this.
That is so crispy. That's written off.
Okie doke. Okay. Oh, hubcap. A lot of.
Yeah. Right, I'll tell you what this. One can of WD. Spark plugs. They're brand new, so they're okay.
Oh, I like that little green tray.
Sell it to you cheap. That is old brake fluid. Right, what have we got?
Ooh,
That
fancy. Is it like a whole set?
Yeah, 4 red.
Right. Ooh, pimp gold.
I love gold.
Four in gold. Oh, 5 in gold.
I thought one of those was white.
Oh, sorry, yes, you're right. Yeah, that's right. It's alright, I've got more gold.
Nothing says classy like gold. Somebody was a big fan of gold.
1/2 inch ratchet. Some needle nose. Some more needle nose. 1/2 inch bar. Some very rusty double-ended spanners. Very rusty spanner, 17. Well, it's a Mercedes-Benz one.
Nice.
Must be from the
We have to
toolkit.
keep it now.
Oh, that one, yeah. Couldn't even tell you what said on that. There's quite a few. Broken coil spring. I think this is the original Mercedes.
We might be able to clean that up, you know.
Do you think we should?
Yes, I do. After you've poured me a very large gin and tonic.
Oh, you're going to do it for me?
I will do it for you if you want. Mmm. Pair of glasses you just knocked back there.
Oh,
Oh god, Jim.
oh, they... Real drunk simulator. Yeah, I think they're going.
Yeah. That needs to go. That's been chewed
That's
and pissed
fine.
on. No, it's disgusting.
Clean that.
No, you're just... That's disgusting. Ooh. Hang on. Yeah, I think a mouse has been living in here.
Hmm. What do you reckon that is?
Shiwi.
I'll Google that later. Brand new ignition coil. It's actually quite useful.
What's that? blue thing? That looks like it's...
It's a window.
Oh, is that the sunroof?
No, it's a window.
blind?
No, it's for the window.
Oh, well, put that down there. We'll clean that. Oh, seriously, the mouse has been making a home in there. Oh, God.
There's no mouse in that bit. All the white duct tape.
Ooh, screwdriver.
Yeah, it's probably seen better days.
A lot of this car's seen better days.
MOT certificates.
Might want to wash them. Ooh,
Head torch.
thanks for shining that right in my eyes as you went to turn it on.
I wasn't going to do it in mine. More gloves.
More gloves.
More gloves. More gloves.
What's this? Oh. I imagine it's screws.
No!
Old money. Old money. Oh, silly old money. Candy Milky Bars are on you, kid.
Almost paid for the car now. The old coin purse.
Oh, God. Oh, okay. Is there a spare wheel under here?
Yeah,
Were you hoping so?
I had seen it.
Okay, cool.
Actually, it's fair. That'll clean up.
Looks like a relatively new tyre as well.
It smells like one.
I don't know if it's actually new, but it looks clean anyway.
And the original jack. And whatever this lightning rod is.
Brilliant. Suppose we best hoover it out then.
I'll leave that to you.
Wonderful.
It looks like the battery tray has rusted in the past, because we've got a weld repair here. You can see where they've removed the original bitumen stuff. But I think what I'll do is actually remove all of this thick stuff, because it seems to be good at hiding any rust issues. We'll give this a good clean up at a later date and just check how good this welding is. You can see probably why this trim came off here, so they could get in and weld it. I'll keep digging. So I found this patch underneath. It looks like we're going to have to do some welding. That is crispy. It feels strange. Oh no, that is... So this is the like a bitumen they put on. And that is the rust hole. Sorry, the light's a bit off. Oh dear. Never mind. I know the seats still need a clean, but we just put them back in because I know they're going to have to come out again when I start doing some welding. But I hope you've enjoyed this episode, and I want to say a big thanks to my wife Sam for helping. And if you haven't already, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.